Welcome to my read aloud today, The Day the Crayons Quit by Daywalt. The illustrator is Oliver Jeffers, and this is a really cute book, and I hope you're entertained by this version of the story, which I will be narrating, Mrs. Pendleton, with the help of my daughter, Malaya. The Day the Crayons Quit by Daywalt. There's a group of letters and it says, to Duncan. One day in class, Duncan went to take out his crayons and found a stack of letters with his name on them. Hey, Duncan, it's me. Red Crayon. We need to talk. You make me work harder than any of your other crayons. All year long, I wear myself out coloring fire engines, apples, strawberries, and everything else that's red. I even work on holidays. I have to color all the Santas at Christmas and all the hearts on Valentine's Day. I need a rest. Your overworked friend, Red Crayon. Dear Duncan, all right, listen. I love that I'm your favorite crayon for grapes, dragons, and wizards' hats, but it makes me crazy that so much of my gorgeous color goes outside the lines. If you don't start coloring inside the line soon, I'm going to completely lose it. Your very neat friend, Purple Crayon. There's purple. Oh, he's just out of the lines, just a little bit. Dear Duncan, I'm tired of being called light brown or dark tan because I'm neither. I am beige and I am proud. I'm also tired of being second place to Mr. Brown Crayon. It's not fair that Brown gets all the bears, ponies, and puppies, while the only things I get are turkey dinners, if I'm lucky, and wheat. And let's be honest, when was the last time you saw a kid excited about coloring wheat? Your beige friend, Beige Crayon. There's Beige Crayon looking all sad. And there's wheat, boys and girls. Duncan, Gray Crayon here. You're killing me! I know you love elephants, and I know that elephants are gray, but that's a lot of space to color in all by myself. And don't even get me started on your rhinos, hippos, and humpback whales. You know how tired I am after handling one of those things. Such big animals. Baby penguins are gray, you know. So are very tiny rocks, pebbles. How about one of those once in a while to give me a break? You're a very tired friend, Gray Crayon. And there is Gray in what he wishes to draw, like baby penguins, small rocks, and pebbles. And there's Duncan's big gray elephants, the hippos, and the rhino. That is a lot of gray. Dear Duncan, you color with me, but why? Most of the time, I'm the same color as the page you were using me on, white. If I didn't have a black outline, you wouldn't even know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. I'm only used to color snow or fill in the empty space between other things. And it leaves me feeling, well, empty. We need to talk. Your empty friend, White Crayon. And you can't even see white because the only thing you can see is the bottom of the wrapper. He's white. He's the same color of the page, so he's like invisible. And this is White Cat in the Snow by Duncan. Hi, Duncan. I hate being used to draw the outline of things that are colored in by other colors, all of which think they're brighter than me. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball and then fill in the colors of the ball with all the other crayons. How about a black beach ball sometime? Is that too much to ask? Your friend, Black Crayon. And there's what Black would like to draw. Dear Duncan, as Green Crayon, I am writing for 2 reasons. One is to say that I like my workloads of crocodiles, trees, dinosaurs, and frogs. I have no problems and wish to congratulate you on a very successful coloring things green career so far. The second reason I write is for my friends Yellow Crayon and Orange Crayon, who are no longer speaking to each other. Both crayons feel they should be the color of the sun. Please settle this soon because they're driving the rest of us crazy. Your happy friend, Green Crayon. What color do you think the sun should be? Orange or yellow? I think orange. What do you think?
Yellow.
Let's see who's right. Dear Duncan, Yellow Crayon here. I need you to tell Orange Crayon that I am the color of the sun. I would tell him, but we are no longer speaking, and I can prove I'm the color of the sun too. Last Tuesday, you used me to color in the sun on your Happy Farm coloring book. In case you've forgotten, it's on page 7. You can't miss me. I'm shining down brilliantly on a field of yellow corn. Your pal and the true color of the sun, Yellow Crayon. There's the Happy Farm coloring picture, and look, there's the yellow sun. But orange doesn't look too pleased. Now orange writes a letter. Dear Duncan, I see Yellow Crayon already talked to you, the big whiner. Anyway, could you please tell Mr. Tattletale that he is not the color of the sun? I would, but we're no longer speaking. We both know I am clearly the color of the sun because on Thursday, you used me to color the sun on both the Monkey Island and the Meet the Zookeeper pages in your Day at the Zoo coloring book. Orange, you glad I'm here? Ha! Your pal and the real color of the sun, Orange Crayon. Meet the Zookeeper with an orange sun. Monkey Island, also with an orange sun. Dear Duncan, it has been great being your favorite color this past year, and the year before, and the year before that. I have really enjoyed all the oceans, lakes, rivers, raindrops, rain clouds, and clear skies. But the bad news is that I am so short and stubby, I can't even see over the railing in the crayon box anymore. I need a break. Your very stubby friend, Blue Crayon. There's Stubby Blue. Stubby means short, chubby, stout, little fat. Duncan must love blue. Ooh, now there's pink. Duncan, okay, listen here, kid. You have not used me once in the past year. It's because you think I am a girl's color, isn't it? Speaking of which, please tell your little sister I said thank you for using me to color in her Little Princess coloring book. I think she did a fabulous job of staying inside the lines. Now, back to us. Could you please use me sometime to color the occasional pink dinosaur or monster or cowboy? Goodness knows they could use a splash of color. your unused friend, Pink Crayon. I think his sister also did a fabulous job with the pink princess staying in the lines. What do you think? Do you think Duncan could use pink more?
Yeah.
Hey, Duncan, it's me, Peach Crayon. Why did you peel off my paper wrapping? Now I'm naked and too embarrassed to leave the crayon box. I don't even have any underwear. How would you like to go to school naked? I need some clothes. Help! Your naked friend, Peach Crayon. Oh my goodness. I see Peach's wrapper. There's Peach. He's hiding in the crayon box. He doesn't want to come out. He's naked. Ooh, and those are all the letters that Duncan got from his crayons. Wow, that's a lot. Well, poor Duncan just wanted to color. And of course, he wanted his crayons to be happy. And that gave him an idea. When Duncan showed his teacher his new picture, she gave him an A for coloring. Wow. Look, there's another dot, dot, dot. When an author uses those 3 periods like that in a row, it means something is coming or to be continued. And an A+ for creativity. And there is a rainbow crayon and all the colors. If you enjoyed this book, The Day the Crayons Quit, you could probably find it on the Scholastic website, at a Scholastic book fair, or on Amazon or any other online book retailers. And I want to show you the back cover because it's really cute. It says the battle lines have been drawn. And there all the crayons are quit. They quit and they're on strike, which is when you refuse to work until the conditions of the workplace are changed and they're more fair and equal. Okay, they're striking and they're protesting for rights. If you remember when we talked about protesting with civil rights, protesting is done in different ways, but this is an example of protesting by marching with signs. Okay. Right now, yellow's holding a sign that says, "We're not happy." Okay. And pink's holding a sign that says, "Down with this sort of thing." Black says, "Boo." Then there's beige and gray, but they're marching. We can't really see their signs because they're turned away from us. Well, this is Mrs. Pendleton with the help of her daughter, Malaya, and we really hope you enjoyed your read aloud today. Try to stay busy, relax, and enjoy.